it is time for the very first assignment in this course. In this module, we had explored React, how we can create React components, the state and props of a component, and also lists and keys for when we display a list of items in our components. So in this exercise, we will use all these concepts. Now, in the previous exercise, we had shown the details of a chosen dish at the bottom in the menu component itself. In this assignment, you're going to separate that into its own component called as the dish detail component. So the details of the dish will be rendered through the dish detail component, which you will import into the menu component and pass in the information about the selected dish to the dish detail component in the form of props from the menu component. So that gives you the rough idea of what we would like to display. In addition, we will also show a list of comments about the specific dish in the dish detail component when we display the details of the chosen dish. Let's look at the 3 tasks in this assignment in a bit more detail. Coming to our application, in the first task of your assignment, you will be taking the details of the selected dish that we showed at the bottom and instead move that into its own component called as the dish detail component. Details of what you need to do are given in the assignment write-up. So when you click on any dish, then that details of the dish will be displayed at the bottom here using the dish detail component. Now, within the dish detail component, as you can see, the details of the dish are shown through one single card here. This card occupies 5 columns when you are on a medium to extra large screen size. So you notice that this is aligning very well with each of the items in my menu here. Now, in addition to this, so that will be your first task, separating this out into its own component. The second task is to show the details of the specific dish here using the card component. We have already seen the use of the card component for showing the details of the specific dish in the previous exercise. So you need to reorganize the code into the dish detail component so that this card is shown in the dish detail component. In addition, we are also supplying you with a list of comments that you need to display in the form of a list here. So as you can see, each comment is shown whereby the details of the comment are shown and the author of the comment is shown here, and then the date is shown as such as a string as given in the comments object that is included in each dish. So look at the details of the comments that are included in each dish to get an idea of where you can get the comment, the author of the comment, and the date for that particular comment. So this is how you will be displaying each of the comments in your list here to the right side of this. This is the way you display this information on a medium to extra large screen size. Now, when you switch to a extra small or a small screen size, so as you can see here, this is a Pixel 2 in portrait mode. So here you see that all the dishes are stacked, but the chosen dish is going to be shown below the list of dishes here, and then the comments are shown in its own column below the selected dish here as shown in this picture here. So these are the 3 tasks that you need to complete in this assignment. First task, to move the display of the selected dish into its own component. Second, to show the details of the dish using a card component. And third, to show the list of comments about the selected dish as shown here. have fun completing the first assignment of this course.